Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive along the back roads of Harrison County, Mississippi, beginning on Bells Ferry Road near the Bells Ferry unit of the Wolf River Coastal Preserve. This is one of 20 unique sites that are part of the development of the Coastal Preserves program. 72,000 acres of tidal marsh, tidally influenced marsh, and wetlands were designed as crucial coastal wetlands habitat within these 20 sites. The Bells Ferry unit is one of 5 that features a nature trail. Here we cross the Wolf River not on a ferry but on a bridge. The current bridge was built in 1979 and this replaced a previous bridge that perhaps dated back to the 1940s, but originally a ferry operated by Buford Bell carried traffic across the river here. At Red Creek Road, the road name changes to 28th Street, and shortly we'll be entering a grid of streets as we approach Long Beach. At Beatline Road, we enter the city of Long Beach. Long Beach had an estimated population of 16,023 as of 2019 and is part of the Gulfport-Biloxi Metropolitan Statistical Area. Long Beach began as an agricultural town, but on August 10, 1905, Long Beach incorporated and became another city on the Mississippi Gulf Coast. As the years went on, the city moved from its agricultural heritage and moved towards tourism, with the beach becoming increasingly popular. Long Beach's early economy was based largely upon radishes. Logging initially drove the local economy, but when the area's virgin yellow pine forests became depleted, row crops were planted on the newly cleared land. A productive truck farming town in the early 20th century, citizens of Long Beach proclaimed the city to be the radish capital of the world. The city was especially known for its cultivation of the long red radish variety, a favorite beer hall staple in the northern U.S. at the time. In 1921, a bumper crop resulted in the shipment of over 300 trainloads of Long Beach's long red radishes to northern states. Eventually, the long red radishes for which Long Beach was known fell into disfavor, and the rise of the common button radish caused a dramatic decline in the cultivation of this crop in the area. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. On the right, behind the chain link fence, we begin to see the housing for the Naval Construction Battalion Center Gulfport. Also on the Long Beach side of the naval base is an RV park and some recreational facilities. We'll talk more about that in the next video. We conclude today's video at Canal Road. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.